Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening. Welcome back. Day 49. Amazing journey, guys. I'm sure you are also enjoying, as like me. And it's always a pleasure and honor to come back and be with you, my extended family. Hats off to you guys. Pat yourself, kudos, and thank you for sticking with me in this voyage. Let's go, man. This is the journey. We will accomplish more milestones to come. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for all your support and love and for all your motivation. Amazing. You guys are amazing, guys. And the topic for the day today is, guys, but first of all, today is day 49. Yeah, going strong. Amazing. So, and the topic for the day is surrender. Just surrender yourself to the higher power, to that belief, to that trust, to that confidence, to that universe, to that almighty. They are there for us. They are there for every one of us. Every moment, every minute, every hour of our life, they are always with us. Their blessings, um, they are always there to protect us. They are always there to do magic for us. They are always there to give what we even don't know what we want, but they are there to give us that. And just surrender. Once you surrender and have that trust and confidence in that universe, many things gets changed. Not many things, and everything gets changed. We are we are humans. We have been created by Almighty. He has created us. We are His children, His son, His daughter, and as a parent, He's always with us. Just imagine how big family He's taking care of every moment of our life. And I think we all need to be blessed. We are so blessed, we are so honored that He has given this life to us to go and enjoy this universe. We are so blessed, we are so honored. And just imagine, you he has given us a journey uh, to enjoy, and He being with us always. So there is nothing we can lose over here. It's all win-win over here. He's coming, He's always with us. He knows what we want. He's always giving us even before we know about that thing. Miracles are happening. Miracles always happen. Prayers are always answered. He's always answering our prayers. But we need to trust that. We need to have confidence in that. We need to believe that. What is trust? Trust is knowing, trust is certainty. When you know that this is going to happen, it's going to happen. When you trust, when you have that confidence, yes, God is with me, the Almighty is with me, universe is with me, all the higher powers are with me. Have that attitude that you are God's son. We are God's creation. And I think, guys, uh, nothing can beat your trust and confidence. If you have that trust, if you have that confidence, that itself is like you have devoted yourself to that higher power. And once you have that devotion, and the devotion comes with your dedication, with your commitment, everything, because you have left yourself, you have let loose everything, you have let go everything, and you know that what is happening is all good. It's always good, and what is going to happen will always be good. And you know that God is taking us along. He's holding in His arms. He loves us a lot. He's always with us, and He will never leave us. So, guys, on this note, have that trust and fact, and see the difference in your life. Be that ambassadors of peace, be that ambassador of love, and change the people's life, change yourself. And as I said, we are a magnet, joy magnet. So whosoever come and touches us become more joyful. Whosoever come and touches us become more happier. And whosoever we go and touches, we also make them happier. So guys, you are the torch holders. You have that power with you. Take that magnet, take that joy, take that happiness, and spread that happiness all along, within you, around you, and make this place a beautiful place to live in, guys. And thanks everyone, every time, for getting me all your support and your love. This is a long journey, never ending journey, and we are committed to it. because we have that trust, we have that faith, we have that love, we have that commitment. And just let go everything and see the power, see the beauty of this universe, guys. So on that note, guys, thank you so very much for listening me again. And as always, your love, your motivation, your support is always welcome. And those who are giving, hats off to you guys. Kudos to you, bravo to you. And till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you.